Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've been running into issues in Monopoly Go, whether it's missing dice, connection problems, or anything else, this guide is going to show you exactly how to contact their customer support step by step, right inside the app. So, first things first, go ahead and launch the Monopoly Go app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're logged into your account before we begin. This process works the same whether you're on iOS or Android, as long as you're signed in. Once the game finishes loading and you're on the main board screen, look up at the top right corner. You'll see a little icon with three horizontal lines. Yep, that's your main menu. Tap it to expand the list of options. From here, scroll down just a little and tap on Settings. This is where you'll find most of the controls for your account, preferences, and of course, customer support. Inside the Settings page, look for the option labeled Customer Service. Tap that and it'll take you into their built-in help center where you can browse help articles or reach out for more direct support. Now, once you're inside the help center, scroll down toward the bottom of the page. You'll find a button that says Chat with Us. Go ahead and tap that to begin the support process. This will launch their automated chatbot. Start by describing your problem clearly, like, I didn't get my event reward or my game keeps crashing. Keep it simple but specific. The system will try to offer quick solutions, and if it can't help, it'll try to connect you to a real support agent. If a live agent is available, the chatbot will transfer you right over. Otherwise, you might be prompted to leave your contact info so they can follow up. Just be patient. Response times can vary depending on how busy they are. And that's how you contact Monopoly Go's customer service right inside the app. No digging around for links or emails. If this helped you out, drop a like and subscribe so you don't miss the next how-to. Catch you in the next one.